Hello, dear students. Welcome to this English class once again. Today, I shall explain a very easy topic in grammar, and that is subject and predicate. This is a continuation of the topic phrases and sentences that I had explained in our previous session. I hope you have viewed the video phrases and sentences. So today we are going to learn something about sentences. Last time you had learned to distinguish between phrases and sentences. Today you are going to learn something about sentences. So with reference to that, we shall discuss about subject and predicate. Students, do you know what subject and what a predicate is? No? Well, let's understand them. A complete sentence consists of two parts. A complete sentence consists of two parts. What are they? Can you tell me? The two parts are subject and predicate. So students, understand a sentence is said to be complete only if it consists of both the parts, that is subject and predicate. If either of this is missing, then the sentence cannot be considered as complete. It is incomplete. It does not make sense. So remember students, a complete sentence consists of both subject and predicate. Let's understand what each of these mean. Well, a subject tells who or what the sentence is referring about, whereas the predicate, it tells about the subject or the action done by the subject. You will understand this better with the help of example. Now read the example along with me. The baby elephant is playing in the water. Whom are we talking about in the sentence? We are talking about the baby elephant. So, in this sentence, the baby elephant is the subject. Whereas, the action that the baby elephant is doing here is the predicate. So, here in the sentence, is playing in the water becomes the predicate. Now look at this example here. Read it. The puppy is sitting inside the cup. Whom are we talking about in the sentence? We are talking about the puppy. So the puppy is the, complete that. The puppy is the subject in the sentence. So then what is the predicate? What is the action done by the puppy? The action that is done by the puppy is sitting inside the cup. So, is sitting inside the cup becomes a predicate. Understood, students? So, both subject and predicate together make a complete sentence, as in this case, the puppy is sitting inside the cup. Can we just say the puppy? Does it make sense? No. Why? Because it consists only of the subject. Or can we just say is sitting inside the cup? That again is an incomplete sentence because we don't know who's sitting, what is sitting inside the cup. So remember students, in a complete sentence, both subject and predicate have to exist. They both have to be there together. Both have to exist together. There are some more examples here. Let's read them slowly. Along with me, join me. The little bird flew away. The little bird is the subject. Flew away is the predicate. Second sentence, the lion chased the bull. Subject here is the lion. Predicate is chase the bull. Third one, the children are playing. Subject is the children. Predicate, are playing. Rehan helped Jay. Subject, Rehan. Predicate, helped Jay. Tina danced gracefully. Subject, Tina. Predicate, danced gracefully. So students, I hope you are now confident to identify a subject and a predicate in a sentence. So let's solve an exercise, right? So children, I request you to take a paper and pen and be ready to mark the answers. So are you ready? Okay, now let's begin. There's a sentence given there. You need to write the sentence. So you may pause the video and write the sentence, and then you need to underline the predicate. You need to underline the predicate. So have you understood, students? Write the sentence that is there on the screen and then underline the predicate. So let's get started. The sentence here is Rohan is eating an apple. I'll read the sentence 2 times. Rohan is eating an apple. And the answer is eating an apple is the predicate, whereas the rest part of the sentence is the subject. I hope you have underlined the predicate correctly. Let's go to the second sentence. Second sentence, the crocodile is dancing. The crocodile is dancing. Mark your answers. And the answer is dancing is a predicate. Subject is the crocodile. Next, Ria is playing with a puppy. Ria is playing with a puppy. And the answer is subject is Ria, predicate is playing with the puppy. Is playing with the puppy becomes a predicate. Next one, the monkey is eating an apple. The monkey is eating an apple. Answer, predicate is eating an apple. Next one, John is kissing the kitten. John is kissing the kitten. And the answer is kissing the kitten is the predicate. Is kissing the kitten is the predicate. So John becomes the subject. The next one, the kitten is hiding inside the shoe. The kitten is hiding inside the shoe. And the answer is hiding inside the shoe becomes a predicate, whereas the kitten becomes the subject. So students, if this is fast for you, you may pause the video, take your time to write down the sentence and underline the answers, and then you check the answer. Okay, so now let's move further. Let's proceed. So if you have scored full marks, wonderful. Now here's an exercise for you. You may consider as an assignment. You may write down the sentences in your book first, and then at the end you may check the answers for all the sentences that are given. The answers are given towards the end of this video. So there are 10 sentences in all. Here there are 5, and the next 5 are in the next video, in the next slide. So you need to write down these 5 sentences in your book neatly. Underline the predicates, and then once you have done that, you will check your answer, which is given at the end of this exercise. I will read out all the sentences to you. First one, the baby is smiling. Second, the children are playing. Third, Veronica is cooking. Fourth, Teddy is sleeping. Fifth, the old man is reading a book. Sixth one, Melissa sings beautifully. Seventh, I will tell you a story. Eighth, Namrata went to a zoo. Ninth, we must be truthful. And 10th, the new mall is now open. Students, you may pause the video and write down the sentences and then underline the predicate in every sentence. Once you have done that, you can check the answer that is given in the next slide. The answers for the 10 sentences are given here, but you will check only after you have completed marking the answers for the 10 sentences. These are the answers for sentences for 6 to 9, 10. So students, that's the end of today's topic. Today you have understood that a sentence consists of two parts, subject and predicate. You have understood what each of these stand for and how to identify them in a sentence. So children, thank you for participating and viewing this video. Keep up the good work of learning new things. Be safe. Take care of yourself and your family. Keep yourself warm in this cold winter month. So, keep your schedule balanced between learning and playing. So, enjoy yourself. Thank you once again, children, and God bless you all.